Today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest taco bar ever. Love my little spinny veggies. This taco bar has saved me on so many occasions because I literally pick up a rotisserie chicken, chop up some veggies, put it into my little serving caddy so you can fill it with ice and it keeps everything nice and cool. So I just plop all of my shredded veggies and stuff right into that. I stick it in the fridge, and then right before people come over, I take it out. And so I just shred up a Costco rotisserie chicken, and then I have my little condiment caddy, and I put the serranos on the side because they're a little hot for me, and I don't want to get spiced up unnecessarily. And so then everyone can just assemble their own taco the way they like it. It's a no cook, very low prep, really not a lot you have to do. So any level of cooking can handle it. And it's a really, really great thing to have to invite people over and just for a hangout night. I also usually like to have a big bowl of lettuce. So if people want a taco salad too, they can do that. You can get the recipe at messyjoyfuljourney.com.